Where is the?
It was like, I'm not taking
right here.
Okay.
All right, bet.
I want to think. I'm like, is this something on my shirt? Oh, you fake opened it? I ain't never seen the label come on.
Fake over.
Okay, wait. We need to wash our hands. That's first
Yeah,
thing.
facts. That is true.
I know.
All right, come on. We can go to the bathroom right here. Facts. Okay. So you be cooking a little bit. All right.
Let me up and I'll wash my hands first.
Oh.
All right. Don't get excited because I'm washing my hands. I just know the hygiene. That don't mean I know how to cook.
Okay. I get it cut. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. So you gonna cut the onion up and the cilantro?
And what you gonna do?
I'm
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna make me.
You gonna do that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we did.
Oh no. You finna help though.
I'm gonna pass you the season.
Oh my god.
That's how I'm gonna help. I'm gonna pass you the season. You obviously a little more experienced in the ground turkey department. So
see, we got some cooks out there, so they can put their little input
right,
in.
so you know what to do. Exactly. I'm gonna get to cutting them onions.
There you go. My bad.
This ain't enough.
I got you.
I appreciate it. I got you.
That light.
All right.
First step, wash hands.
Okay. Don't touch your hand no more. That's okay.
You said don't what?
No, me. Don't touch your hand. I'm so used to doing it.
You trying to puff it back up?
Yeah, I gotta keep the steak.
Fix it up.
It's hard to do that fro life.
You got that 90s fro. I fuck with that.
I'm gonna get a curly cut. That's gonna take away from the length of my hair. Oh no, thank you.
You said you're gonna get a what?
A curly cut. That's when you cut it. Curly. Alright, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yep, I'm so happy you said
Alright. Turn this up.
Alright. Boom.
Turn that up a little bit. Alright, let me get you a cutting. Let me get you a cutting board. Damn, I really need to stand right now.
No, it don't. And that's so crazy. I went to so many stores. I was looking for like a tripod.
Mm-hmm.
Any tripod for a phone.
Oh, you don't got one right now? They got a whole bunch at Five Below.
I was just at Five Below.
For real?
They
You
had
ain't seen them?
0.
Yeah, they probably ran out. There'd be a lot of people that be going in there.
Like they literally had 0, and I was looking so hard. I said, you know what? I'm just messing with them.
It's cool.
Got some ridges on it. It's really smooth.
Something smooth?
Sure, but I need a knife with some ridges. I said, that's really smooth. You don't have like a ridge knife?
What you mean a ridge knife? Like a butter knife?
No, like a knife that has like that's not just smooth. It got like a steak knife.
Right. Like these?
Yeah.
Okay. I see. I'm still learning a little bit.
That's nice. That's a good knife. Okay. Yes, it's good.
You gotta cut the lettuce up too.
I gotta cut the lettuce too?
Yes, you did. You can make YouTube video. Nah, yeah, I'm alright. No bad. You said what?
I think that's very crazy.
Wait, we might.
This is tacos from scratch. We gotta cut the cilantro, cut the lettuce, cut the onions. I'm used to like the quick way.
Yeah, the lettuce we got ain't no good no more. I ain't gonna lie.
We're not gonna do cilantro first. I'm gonna do the onion first. I feel like it's a little more the tedious side.
So you want the onion first?
Yeah.
You gonna crash?
Oh no, we finna see now. Now I gotta just wait and see.
Oh, I just throw this in here right now. I put some oil first. A little bit of oil.
You know, you said you was making the turkey. Now she said she don't be using oil. I want to listen to what she said.
I don't do no oil.
Onion juice. Yeah. You gonna just put that to the side.
You ain't gonna do no oil, man.
I'm trying to think of how I usually cut an onion.
It's a whole dance.
This is sad. My mother would be so disappointed in me. I can't even cut an onion. You ain't gonna give it to me like that.
See, that's why you need the straight one.
No, I don't need the straight. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
It's gonna make itself meat. Wait, don't need oil for ground meat.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
Yes.
I feel it coming in the other night.
It's hitting me too. Damn near.
That's good. We in this together.
I don't know how to say it.
Ah!
Straight to it.
Okay, and I get straight to it like it's nice. Ooh.
You know?
Go ahead. Get the little skin off of it. That's what makes me mad.
Yo, did I give you them Nike joints? The Nike players? I don't think so. You be putting the cover over your stuff? Have you ever cooked for those?
I only cook stuff I eat. And I like authentic Mexican tacos, yeah. So I never care to like have them at home. I'm making tacos on this Thursday. We 2 days late.
Taco Thursday. We all good.
My mama said jump on my hand like that.
Taco Thursday. We all smooth.
Ooh. I don't know if that part is clean. Yes, I'm gonna cry down.
Alright. Do I need to top for this? So I can just let this, Oh no. Or do I just keep moving?
I think you do your thing. I don't know.
Alright. If it come out,
I think you got it. I trust you. I don't know. I trust you. I know how to cook. I made before.
But I'd still be wanting to.
I still don't think I'm doing this right. That's crazy. I chopped the onion so many times. Y'all ain't gonna believe me.
Yeah, I don't believe you. You shouldn't believe me cooking either because I'm asking you.
I like to buy my onions
but I really
diced.
do be cooking them.
I like to buy my onions diced up already. So there's never going to be a need for me to do this part of the process. I'll put these diced
let that sit for a little second.
What you think? I don't think it's diced enough. It needs to be like a little more light.
Yeah, that's cool right
there. Yeah, like hit it with one of them.
We doing that.
Okay.
No, you good. He talking about. Nah, you really don't need oil though. It really kind of do make itself.
All right, we gonna kind of see. I believe he said he over here talking about some oil. I've been shut up about the oil. I've been gave up.
Okay. Yeah, see, there you go. Making a little juice at the bottom.
Oh yeah, this little piece here on here. That's why. Take that off. It's messing up.
Camera IRL.
Let me look. Dang. Yes, that's good. That's why I need a camera. I just record just cause.
Just for the hell of it.
Honestly, just cause I like to see myself.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh, let me see what I was doing today.
See it on something.
No, nobody said that. Nobody said nothing like that. I'm just saying, I just like to see me.
I'm going through with this like these, right? And then you go like, right?
Well, I cut a lemon. I mean, a line. No, that's unsafe.
What?
You cut it like that. Are you trying to make wedges?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're killing me.
You know what I'm talking about?
You talking about this?
Boom. Cut it in half and then cut that one in half and stuff like that.
This knife.
That is sharp.
This ain't
That's
the
cool.
lime cutting knife.
Aintchutrentt, what's the word, man? Cooking with Uni.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. Well, she ain't cooking, but she helping, right?
No, we cooking.
We cooking
with each other. How about that? You
right,
trying to make these?
Yeah. Like, that's cool, right?
Yeah. What you doing with this?
What you mean?
What you doing with it?
I'm going to use it when I...
Oh, okay, when you ready. Okay,
yeah.
We're going to sit these to the side.
Yeah, that's cool. But you still got to cut up some...
It's okay.
We don't need too many onions.
We don't.
We got to cut up some lettuce and some
little
cilantro.
lime knife right there. The cilantro should be much easier.
Cilantro going to you just really cut through that.
I think I might have it.
Okay, my bad.
If nothing else, I think I can. I think I got that.
Nice and simple.
I want this off.
Let me grab a top for this real quick.
You know what I just thought about?
He talking about you said what?
You know what I just thought about?
What happened?
Ogres are like onions.
Ogres?
Yes. Oh my God, you don't get my reference. That's hurting my feelings.
Oh.
Ogres are like onions. That's from Shrek.
Yeah, I know.
Because they have layers. Because they got layers.
Let that simmer. So you gonna do your little anthem? We're gonna do our cooking. What we doing?
That's all she do is the little back and forth thing. I'm biting somebody
that's up to you. Go ahead.
I'm biting somebody else.
Cooking with Uni, right?
Yeah. That's my little anthem. That's my little anthem. Cooking with Kanye.
No, Uni, man.
I mean, yeah.
Uni, man.
See, that's how I know this ain't for me. That ain't even mine. That ain't even mine.
All right, we getting somewhere.
Okay. Oh no, I messed this part up. Okay. It's all right. We just gonna cut that out. Yeah, you see how I just got through that? That looked official.
I ain't gonna lie, you doing it quick too.
That looked like something. I told you I couldn't aim before. You try not to believe me.
No, I believe you.
You try not to believe me.
Too late to believe.
I work at a restaurant. I watch chefs cut up stuff all day.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, plus on Thanksgiving, that's all I do.
Oh, you be helping.
I just cut up celery and stuff.
You need help?
No, I think I got this squared away. How much onions do you want though?
I don't need too many.
All right, well.
Like a portion of like right there is what I take. So I'll probably make like 5 tacos.
What? How many? 4, 5? Yeah. 4, 5? That's crazy.
That's a lot.
I'm gonna eat one.
One?
Yeah, my appetite ain't that big. I don't know what happened. I used to put it away.
One? I mean, you is trying to lose.
But it's for the best.
Like slim down, right?
It's for the best that I don't put it away. I need to give it back. All right, there.
So we don't need no more lines. You gonna use lime?
Oh, I love limes. I'm gonna line it down for sure.
All right, so we probably do need another one. I'm gonna use 2 for sure. We'll cut one more.
So that they picked up and book it.
I'm gonna need a shot in a minute. Yeah. If we making tacos and we got limes and
we got lime, we got lime, we got all that. Say no more.
All right now. Have some hospitality.
My bad.
Oh, y'all.
Yo, W's in the chat.
The onions ain't even that bad.
W's in the fucking chat.
I usually be crying way before this. So I'm grateful.
It's not her. It's not.
I'm grateful.
They just holding her. So basically, they probably
and I got some toast too. I got something to say. Now I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I ain't even supposed to be drinking. I'm supposed to be on a clean.
Yeah, I can't take a shot.
Oh, you can't? All right, well then we're not gonna take a shot.
I
don't like to be a bad
influence. We're gonna take one.
If we're gonna take one, we're gonna take one.
I'll take one. That's it.
One shot because the lines in my face.
One is not gonna hurt.
Plus, I already told my sisters I broke the fast. I had a drink the other day, but it was just one. It was one. I was out. Now that's the pact I've made to myself. If I'm gonna drink, at least it ain't gonna be me sitting in the house to do it.
Oh yeah, hell no.
You know,
never the case. Hell.
So when I was out in a restaurant the other day, that's my old job.
together.
Yeah, you used to work at Bar Louie. I'm gonna let you do it.
That's what they
No, I gotta do everything. No. Jesus. That's the word of the day. Hospitality. I don't like that. What
You
is
think
my
that's
thing?
even? Listen,
Okay, so maybe the neighbor.
All right, that's
That's
decent.
even.
That's decent. That's decent. You probably shouldn't take this long to cut up an onion. Huh?
said it shouldn't take that long to put what?
Just cut up an onion. I only do stuff fast when I'm by myself.
Right.
Don and some Don. You know that.
Don with the Don. Okay. I like
Cooked up
that.
with that one. And you caught on. You alright. You be spot on. I ain't gonna lie.
What can I say?
Damn.
I'm saying though.
Okay. Whatever. What you saying?
This is the last time I'm cutting the
You
onion.
look, he just snapped.
You know, this how I look
I
at this
don't
stuff.
know how to dice up no onion. Let me tell you that.
It's just dice. It's
Yeah.
honestly, it's
My
geometric.
shit would have been in strips. Oh boy.
It's geometric.
My shit definitely would have been in strips. I ain't gonna lie.
It's dices. It's already
You
layered.
gotta drain this in a minute. I'm gonna let that sit for like another. We're gonna see.
That just came from that?
Well, yeah. All this from this.
Maybe I ain't ever cooked turkey. I don't know. Yes, okay. Dices. All the dices. Check it out. Okay.
Yeah, that's. I'll send you all the.
I think this is sufficient. I don't think I should cut another piece of onion.
I know that, but shit, at least you
Word, man.
All right. Why just on strap? It big. How did that happen? Oh, y'all got ghosts. I ain't never just diced the onion so hard my bra straps. That's overwhelming. I just overwhelmed it. I know my arms are.
My mom was sending
That's
it was
insane.
Carol. Right.
See, I like the house with real glassware. That's nice. Okay, because drinking wine out of a red cup has never been a vibe.
Drinking wine out of the drink.
People be doing that. I don't like that. Y'all got wine. Ooh, wine glass. That's what I'm talking about. Please. Okay, don't think about it. All right, boom.
Man, your laptop about to die.
Why?
Man, it's 12%.
12?
I forgot it's a plug right there.
It is. No reason the laptop should be down. All right.
Yeah.
My onions is
Y'all been over. You still got
I'm looking for
cilantro, lettuce.
or shit on.
Nah, that laptop holding
That's
up,
good.
though.
All right.
I said that laptop holding up. That bitch on 10 years.
Yeah.
No, God.
Jesus.
That bitch on year 10.
Oh.
2020.
Damn, they're 15?
That
Like
is
March
like before.
2015, yeah.
You want this?
Nah.
But the thing is, they gonna come because they had to alert CPD in order for them to go in.
Yeah. All right. Ooh, I'm done cutting. Now they want to make my eyes burn. That's crazy.
I
Pass
ain't
me a
gonna lie,
napkin.
just slightly hanging over that. I feel my ass tearing
Yeah,
up.
so they alert.
Yeah, gotta make that song cry.
Gave them wishes.
Dang, yeah.
It looked like you chefing.
Yeah.
All right. So this your second time making ground turkey. All right.
I gotta go back and get that other. I gotta go back and get that other land. They give me a wire.
Wild Lance.
Yeah,
I fake need some wild for my setup.
16 to 35.
Wait, so you gonna take a shot in there?
I'm checking. Yeah, one of these limes is definitely for shot.
Okay, so
I think of which.
damn near done, right? Dry it out. That's for sure.
Yeah, when you gonna season?
After you drain it, right? You be seasoning with this, and then you leave all this in here.
No, I don't leave all that in there.
All right, so I'm gonna drain.
You're supposed to
I'm gonna
cook
drain
the
some.
seasoning in there. I knew I should have.
No, cause you add water. Don't you add water when you after you drain it?
Oh, I don't think she.
She not listening, but
What's that y'all making?
ground
I
turkey.
was gonna say.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say you can't tell this tacos.
No,
I was gonna say, ooh, we that foul. Yes, I'm feeling real.
We
You know.
definitely.
you
You season as you go, or you drain this first, right?
Yeah, you could season too though.
Right, that's what
And then strain off the
I tried to tell
I'll
you.
do it now.
How you be
Turn
doing?
it down.
I'll do it first and then drain it after.
That's what I do.
I drain off the oil and then I add water.
And then you
And then you
season
season.
it.
You might know what you're saying.
See?
You possibly might know.
saying?
You right. You right.
Alright, so I'm gonna drain it real
No, because normally when Nikki cook it, she seasoned her meat before she put the tomato seasoning. So
Okay.
that's what he was talking about.
Okay. Because don't forget now, you gotta have the other seeds.
What you be using? Garlic powder.
You gotta have that. That's like an
Onion
all-purpose season. You gotta have it. You got accent? I like accent. People don't be having that.
Accent. I don't think I got
It's not good. It's cancerous.
What?
You didn't know
That
that?
makes sense. Why I really ain't seen it in a while.
Yeah.
It probably was a recall
Accent.
accent.
I think it was a recall.
You're not supposed to use it.
What?
Yeah,
I think it is a recall. Now that I said, I
accent.
don't remember the last time I actually seen
Yeah.
something. Oh, you just
Alright,
taught
let
me
me drain it,
something.
let me drain it.
I'm gonna let my mama know.
My stuff locked and loaded. Locked and loaded.
Or
Man, I ain't getting none when I get back. I ain't getting none when I get back.
because everything goes damn shut down.
Oh, they got to fit in there?
In the book bag.
Oh, I was gonna say, oh my God.
There you go.
Okay, camera book bag. Go ahead.
Boom. Alright, we need a cup of water.
You like what?
You gonna do the cilantro?
I got this.
Oh, you just waiting for me, huh?
I just need one. I need more space.
And you
Well, I
want
need
to take a
these
shot?
onions. I do want to take a shot, but I also want these onions out my way. I don't want to cross contaminate. I don't want to have cilantro that tastes like onions.
Okay.
Nobody never seen me with a white girl.
What?
Where we get it from?
Okay, boom.
Not a single soul has ever seen me with a white girl.
That's good.
Exactly.
I think that's for the best.
Yeah, my foot a little bit.
But
Oh,
it's
too
good
much
you got
water.
turkey because you know what they say. Keep that pork off your fork and that beef out your teeth.
I ain't never heard that before.
But that's what they say.
Mm.
Mhm. That's what they say. You need to listen to them when they say that.
We gonna get in the water for a little bit.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm trying something new right here.
Oh, something new. It better be good.
So I'm gonna overly mix. You know what I'm saying? Because this looks dry. You think we need a second one? Or one pack decent?
I like to see it, but you know, I'll let you decide.
I know it's looking like that second one might need to come in.
I think you're doing great.
You doing good?
You're doing great. Keep going.
Appreciate
You
that.
got a paper plate?
Yeah, it should be something. Yeah.
Pal.
My bad.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you was getting at.
It's all right. I ain't gonna use no stripes since you making the turkey. Ooh.
I don't know. I think that second pack might need just a little bit. Damn water. Go, boom. That's much.
Okay. Boom, bang. Clean this up. Yeah.
Get by you.
The window.
All right. Everything smooth, chat.
Get all this up and away.
Probably add a little. I think I should add a little bit more water, just a little bit, or no?
I ain't like looking a little decent.
Decent.
It look like you. Hey.
No
Hey.
me. Come on, chat.
Hey. It's looking like
Add
you
this
might
onion
know something.
powder. This pack done.
I ain't gonna lie. Now this part, this might be a doozy. This perhaps might be a doozy. I don't think
I really just be chopping it up and just like literally like
just chop it up. That's the only thing I can imagine to do, honestly. It ain't like it's some chives or something.
I ain't never cut up no chives. You did that before?
No, but I can imagine that it's a lot easier than cutting up leafy cilantro.
You ever cut up garlic?
Yeah, Dad said you need to do them wings that you did the other day.
Oh yeah, them wings was good. Yeah, cook.
Now you make wings.
Man.
Now you make wings. That's
I
crazy.
do. I make
Funny thing,
honey hot wings and all that.
I don't eat a lot of meat, or I don't eat too much meat, and I just started liking chicken for real. So like, I can make a meal without no meat. Like
No
when it come back,
protein?
I can't fry
That's
chicken.
kind of crazy.
I can't fry chicken. Only I can make salmon. That's it.
This look
Everything
like
else
it's
is a
decent.
little poor. Hold on, I got you. Hold on. You ain't gonna sit here and play with me. Hold on.
Nah, you saying you can make a meal without protein though?
I mean,
So like, what's a go-to meal without protein?
I like
rice and eggs or like what?
Oh,
That's simple.
Rice and eggs, yeah. But I was saying as far as like a dinner meal, I love macaroni and cheese. Like out of all the things I can't cook, I surprisingly can make a really good baked macaroni. Really? Hate it. Smell like soap. Smell like soap.
So you don't eat
Taste like
cilantro?
soap.
Oh, yeah, you did say
I like it.
Tastes different.
I like the look, but leave that off of my stuff because it tastes like dish soap.
So when you go to an authentic Mexican
I let them go and do their thing because I'm being authentic. But
you do oaxaca cheese. That's what it's called.
I want to say it's Osaka, but I could be a little incorrect on my pronunciation. Don't quote me.
That T-ball funny as hell.
Now, how much cilantro do you need?
Shit, you already cut the whole thing.
Yeah, I just thought about that. That is crazy.
But it's cool. That's just 69 cents. Yeah.
It is some greens. Oh, I'm gonna tell my mom to grow this.
It's good. Good right now.
I feel like we good.
Look at it.
Down here.
Bam.
Oh, it do. Okay, I just smelled the little smell good part you talking about.
For the cilantro, right?
Yeah. All right, now this mainly leaf. I feel like we should 86
throw that
that.
away. Yeah. 86.
Yeah.
I usually hit like 76.
What? No, 86. Let's take it away. Well, like don't have it. It's restaurant talk.
Okay.
Yeah. See, now you know 86 that.
Nah, I be hearing people say 76. Like that's a 76. Like it ain't no good.
Dang.
That's a 76.
Okay, I think I have heard that. That's bogus. That's rude. That's mean to the 76ers. That's mean to them. All right, look at me. Who don't know how to cut up cilantro? All right, that ain't working.
Yeah, see, you talk to it. No.
This is. I think it's
that's good.
shot.
That's good.
That's what I think so too.
And then what else you got? This lettuce. And the cheese shredded up already, so it's good on that. You gotta watch this, right?
Hmm?
What happened?
My sister, I think she on here.
She watching the stream?
Oh God. I just get around my sisters and start laughing. All right.
Oh. Yeah, you gotta watch this motherfucker.
All right. Cow. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Hold on, what am I doing? There we go. Cooking with a little grease. Cooking with a little grease. Oh my God. Okay. Now, I think I'm doing great.
Just run some water over
Oh,
this, right?
yeah, run some water over, but I'm gonna shred that up a little bit too, cause
No, yeah, I was just cutting it off for
say,
the thing.
burger lettuce for tacos is crazy. That's insane.
Oh, burger lettuce.
See, look like they got commercials on here. Yeah.
Said my sister's so fast.
Whom y'all said that? Yeah.
KP.
You said who said what? Oh yeah,
She just got hit with an ad, didn't she?
yeah. She's talking about this commercial.
So she ain't gonna see for it right now. She probably gotta wait like 2 minutes.
Hey, 2 minutes worth?
Mm-hmm. You wanna cut this up?
Yeah, I can. I mean, hey. All right, check you out. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get an authentic.
No.
It's like shredded.
Nah. This
Hold
cool,
on.
right?
Hold on, wait. Let me see.
Do what you do.
You probably want to hit it with like a. Because you want to keep it the long way, you know? Type shit. Yes. There we go. That's how you really
KP done with the
shred the lettuce. They let you back in?
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
Though.
She got an ad gel.
Ad gel. I'm taking that.
Yes, girl. I'm chopping this lettuce so good. You see me? So good.
When we finna take our shot.
Okay, wait. Let's finish this.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm just wondering.
You know what I'm saying? Close your eyes when I take a shot, because I ain't got $40 more. That was a one-time fee.
Oh, we need to make some tortillas.
Yes, okay, so we'll see the meat right here. Because I like to cook the tortillas in the meat pan. I think you gotta like see the picture.
I feel you.
But we ain't got time for all that. We ain't gotta do all that.
Because you're gonna have to work the body and shit.
Yeah. Let somebody in that song. Don't hide it.
He said a shot.
Technically, I'm outside. I'm not in my own house.
She outside. Damn. So you said as long as you're not in the crib.
Yes.
You drinking dope.
This not cooking for no reason. And I'm not gonna like keep taking shots. I'm only taking one shot.
It's just one shot. Just a good toast.
We both agreed that it's one shot. Toast. We don't even need to be doing it. All right. Yes, look at us with the shredded lettuce. Girl, this come out so good. I didn't even see that. Well,
what's this one right here?
What? You don't know like butter or nothing. It's raw.
You put butter?
Like something to like get it like.
So it don't stick.
No, not even that. It's just the corn tortilla is dry. You want to add some flexibility.
See, I ain't gonna lie. I'll do mine straight like that.
So you out here eating raw tortillas?
That ain't
Okay.
raw though. It's cooked.
You basically out here eating raw tortillas.
No, it ain't raw.
I hate that.
It's done. I left my shit mustard the whole time I've been here.
What?
All this shit.
Now, see, my meal yesterday was cute. This is not
That's
a good
sad,
representation of me. This ain't a good.
Those mashed potatoes on the side?
I made them.
Broccoli.
Now, the only thing I could make was the broccoli because the Lord ain't give me the ability. You see what I'm saying? But you know, I steamed that.
If you gonna break the rules, take it to the moon, to the stars.
What? Look at what my sister is saying. We know, no.
So that mean no shot.
what?
This
No,
enough
that
butter.
don't mean no shot. I'm taking that shot. I want that shot.
This enough butter like this?
Yeah, that's decent. I ain't trying to saturate it. I just, put a little love on a little grease.
Yeah.
A little shine. It ain't gonna stretch that far.
That bitch ain't overly dry.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my back.
Cool.
All right.
This meat look good though.
Let me see. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
On now.
It's okay. Make sure they see them onions and that cilantro.
No, I got you. You gonna get yours?
Make sure they see that cilantro and them onions and that lettuce.
Okay, that's what you did, right? Cooking with who?
Cooking with you.
Okay. We was waiting on the spin. Okay.
Cooking with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Who is Kaya?
I am. She said, take 5 shots.
Oh, yeah, I'll do it, please. I was doing good. Now, don't come on here with that shit. You're the only one that can make me go there. That's something that's going. I got something to make you sit down. Ooh, that was on time.
She said, need some seasoning? No, this is the season. She
I ain't gonna lie. It's seasoned so good I sneeze. And it ain't seasoned if it ain't sneezing.
Did you say, bro? You ain't nice. Look, huh?
Let me see.
Ain't no seasoning.
It don't taste like taco.
See what I'm saying?
It tastes like taco season.
See what I'm saying? Who that in the bag? See, T-Bob. Show your face, folks. KP say, who that?
That's my sister.
Who's that?
My fine ass sister who be in the gym.
Damn, take 5 shots.
Yeah.
Y'all took 5
That's
shots.
also my sister. I'm saying,
Nah, we ain't taking no damn 5 shots. Hell no.
Hold on, let me show you to the people, sister.
Shit, we got 1 shot of that.
We got that little done.
I got my last little lick. I'm gonna take the pocket out of here.
You know what I'm saying? This is my sister who be working out, who be at the gym.
Oh, you finna show her face?
Yeah. What? Every chance I get.
Yeah, let Big
Look
Brother
at my
see
sister.
her. Let Big Brother see her.
Okay.
She made them ass.
You're busy.
Yeah. She foot press 350.
Yeah, he be in the gym too.
She foot press 350.
Get
This
busy.
one.
I don't know nobody else that can do that, so.
Boom.
And she said brain froze. Hold on.
My
Said it
last
froze?
little lick.
Yeah.
Should be good now.
It's back. What did you say?
Beer, like real beer.
Who said that?
What?
KP.
Beer? Oh my God, beer like real beer? Is it 0.0? Oh, thank God. I was gonna say now, come on. A Heineken in front of the people?
It tastes like real beer though.
Really?
Yeah,
I
it
ain't
tastes
gonna
like
lie.
real
I
beer.
tasted real beer, not feeling it.
It tastes like
It's
real
very
beer.
beery.
I just had beer for the first time like a
What?
week and a half.
Yes, I tried a Modelo.
It just ain't no liquor in it. Modelo like one of the best ones.
I ain't gonna lie. That's
Modelo's.
the only one I
heard about
tried
them,
that
I
wasn't
ain't
like unbearable.
That's like one of the best tasting ones.
Cause I didn't try it. I
one
didn't try
I
it because I wanted to like
It's
it for the
this shit
sake
that
of
considered,
like.
nasty. Like Heineken's. Coronas taste good too.
I heard if you get a little
Corona's kinda
lime,
flavorful too, yeah.
a little Corona with a lime. All right, I got the shot. Y'all ready? This the only one. I'm gonna stop calling
You
it
don't
a
need no
fest.
chaser.
I got a lot.
Which one you want?
You can pick. All right, cool. I'll take that. All right, now
So
this
like
what I do.
What
This
you
my,
think is more?
This
Shit,
my
let me
cheat
know.
code.
You drive.
Hold on now. I ain't got no lights.
Oh yeah.
I know how to drive though.
I bet.
Okay, wait.
Look, this put me in the game, huh?
Hell yeah.
Oh no. I hate putting that shit in my bag.
My Mexican
Forward.
homies put me on to this right here.
Don't drink that, sister. Yucky.
Ooh, sister,
What she
I
talking about?
like it. I'm the only one you want juice and limes and shit. Yes, I like this. My vatos taught me that.
Yeah,
All right,
you
you ready
spit
for
that
the
hoe in there. I'll take it like these.
It's too grown.
Yeah, to a
Too grown.
Oh shit, hold on. I'm over here burning tortillas and shit. Nah, that's okay, perfect though.
Okay. I'm saying you be doubling up like how authentic is you trying to get with the tacos?
What you think? You like your tortillas?
Oh my God, that
crispy
just
or-
reminded me. Jalen Ramsey.
What about
you
Jalen
think?
Ramsey?
What you think? You tell me.
I ain't never seen that.
You never
I feel
seen
like I
that
know what
interview?
you're talking about. Nah.
What? You
I
tell
ain't
me
watched
who
that.
got a who head. Every time I came up on him.
I ain't never seen that.
Yes.
I bet we
Maybe
toasting
we
to
do. Okay. Now I
a
gotta
good dinner.
Okay,
Oh,
well,
you
yeah,
gonna-
that.
go
Okay,
ahead.
we can do a 2-part toast.
A 2-part. Okay.
Yeah, this your
To a
part.
good dinner.
Yeah, to a good dinner. Okay, now you ready?
Yeah.
All right, up to my lips, down to my toes.
Mhm.
Where this drink goes, nobody knows but the hoes.
Okay.
Cheers.
Yeah. Okay, I'll take that.
Hey, you heard that one.
I ain't never heard that one.
Y'all lucky we ain't taking more shots because I got a couple more.
You a bartender. You cheating.
What?
That's the
That's
cheat code right
old.
there.
That's my old life. That's my old life. I don't even buy 10 no more. Now I just drink.
That was
Why
cool.
your face like that?
I just nah, I ain't make no
It's
face.
hurting
Your face like
It's
Nah,
hurting
I
them.
ain't make no face.
It's
man.
hurting them. It's okay.
Nah,
I ain't gonna tell nobody.
that went down smooth.
Right. That's what they say.
Don Repo the best.
Line might be hurting me.
You want another shot, don't you?
I never said that. I don't
She
need another
want
shot. I
another
don't need
shot.
another
Yes,
shot.
she do. She lying.
I'm fasting. Intermediate fasting.
I bet.
Damn, you done.
Mm-hmm. Damn now.
But they talking about nothing.
They
talking about
that.
nothing. And what you said?
Dude, you gonna take some of this cheese?
I suppose.
And do you want some sour cream or not?
For sure.
I
For sure.
bet that. Hospitality.
Yeah, you learned it. I like that. That's
No,
good.
no.
It's catching
I was just
up
locked
to you.
in on the stream and shit like.
It's catching
My
up
bad,
to you. I like that. That's good. What they talking about? They talking about that.
They talking about that.
They ain't talking about
That's
that.
your saying. What they talking about? They ain't talking
No,
about.
I was in
Or you talking about the
a
show?
gym and I was listening to Kendrick.
Mhm.
I was going real hard. He had me going real hard, so now it's stuck in my head.
Oh, that's
Because
what
what
they
they talking about? They talking about that.
That's from his disc little joint.
No, don't bring that up. I'm
Mm.
very sensitive
Oh
about
yeah,
Drake.
I
Very,
forgot you fuck with Drake.
very chicken tender about Drizzy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, they talking about that.
Just don't drink the beer. That's too serious.
They ain't gonna coerce me, so they ain't gonna coerce me. Because when she said be in the chat, I was confused and I turned around and seen it. What they talking about?
She just said she was in chat. That was before she commented.
No,
She
yeah.
texted me that.
No. It was in the chat. You talking about beer? Like real beer?
Yeah.
I was confused.
I bet. You want to make yours?
I can make the plates.
Are you gonna make mine too?
I'll make the plates.
Oh, that's love.
It's the least I can do. You made the
yeah.
turkey. You
Okay.
know, hey.
Say no more.
You said you want 8?
Nah, I won't. She think I'm a BON.
You say you want 8 of them?
I can eat
I
8.
eat 8.
I can eat 8.
All right, you gotta get the
I'm
ugly
getting
tortilla.
this
I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know need to eat 8.
No doubt.
What?
No doubt.
That was all the tortillas right there.
Nah, we got 2 packs.
No, I'm saying as far as like on that plate, I transferred the
Mhm.
plate when I didn't have to do that.
Alright, we don't need these onions. This for the sour cream.
Using this trap. Alright.
Oh yeah. That bitch just automatically spit out.
Yeah, so you could just, so if you just chill like this. Oh, you ain't seen this one yet?
Hell no.
When they talking about, they talking about.
So you just be chilling.
That's what you man still.
That's tough. Yeah. Just straighten it out. Take this table.
That's tough.
You know what I'm saying?
Walk in the coffee shop and get prop it up on this
Prop it up well.
handful, you know? Shit like that.
This a little bit like less. It's crazy as that one used to be. It's a little bit easy. A little bit. It's still heavy as hell, but way easier.
Not facts.
So you just keep your thumb at that. What you call it?
Right here.
Thing.
Oh, this the place. I'm thinking this a button or something.
Just slide it back up to the table.
So,
Way easier though.
You good with onions?
yeah.
Only 3 can fit on this plate. You gotta eat 3 at a time. It's for the set. Or you
No.
can. No, yeah, you can.
Yeah,
No.
Wow.
Yeah, you gotta keep it lined up like that.
Okay, cool.
You gotta get a good like picture. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. You want lettuce?
Yeah, I take some lettuce.
You want lettuce and cilantro?
Just light though. Yeah. Nah. I really like my shit. Nah,
think
do
Mexican
onions
style.
and cilantro.
Onion, cilantro, cheese. Sour
Yeah.
cream?
Cheese sour cream. Yeah.
Do
No
a dollar?
lettuce.
Exactly. That's what I know. That's
No
why
lettuce.
I asked you.
So you know
That's
me.
what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
She must like tequila. What's your favorite type of
Tequila.
tequila? Yeah.
I don't know who know me like that, but they know me.
Jeez.
They know me.
One of the boys you rated earlier.
Oh, which one is that? Is that my 9.5?
That was the 8.
Hey,
Told the
hey.
boy Kai.
Hey.
She took
That's
my
the funny. That's Mr. Stutterman.
Yeah.
That's Stutterman.
Oh crap. She said Stutterman.
That was funny as hell. All right, that's enough onion. I think so. How much onion do you really need?
I actually like onions, but that's cool.
You do?
Mhm.
All right, me
That's
too.
good.
That's decent. This decent?
Mhm.
All right.
That's cool.
Little cilantro.
The cilantro.
Hold on, I gotta hit them with the Salt Bay. Pal. Ooh, they don't know about that.
They don't love you like I love.
They don't know about that.
Okay.
They don't know about that. That's what we should have did.
Yeah, we still can. Shit.
We still can.
Yeah, you
Because
talking
I'm
about-
always down for a little tickety
you
little
talking
taco.
about-
That's enough cilantro because I feel like that's enough.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Cheese.
Love it.
I ain't gonna lie. I feel like we messing up the authenticity of the. It's okay.
It's only a little bit of cheese. If
It's okay.
you gonna
Future
eat some,
reference.
I'm cool.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't even think I need none.
Shit, I'm good without it.
You don't think we need the cheese?
I just need the wine. That's really it.
Ooh.
I like
Alright.
my tacos real Mexican.
That's
Bro,
what I'm saying. We
ain't
don't
gonna
need
lie.
the cheese. Like I'm really
I
straight.
feel like the lettuce and shit is really like the black homemade. You know?
I maybe cut this lettuce up for nothing because I'm real.
Nah,
But I don't got
still
cilantro,
use
so
it.
I'm gonna still use it.
it.
All right, boom boom. Or you want to over your lettuce? I'm gonna go over the cilantro.
No, I don't want no lettuce. I ain't gonna do no lettuce. I'm gonna make something
You
later.
just said I'm gonna still use
I'm
it.
gonna make some tacos later.
All right, cool. So squeeze the lime. Okay,
just
you
all
ready?
over it.
I mean, ain't got that many, so we gotta spread them out.
Bitch, you tatted head to toe. Give her.
True. Type shit.
You don't know that song.
Nope.
I might swerve in that corner. Whoa.
Yes, I do know that song. And I think he snapped. Everybody talking about his corny.
She said Mexicans eat cheese.
I know Mexicans eat cheese. No, you
Yeah,
talking
they
to
do
the OG
sour
Mex.
cream, lettuce, tomatoes,
But we ain't got that type of cheese right now. We should have got Chihuahua cheese.
Chihuahua.
Yeah.
I did see that one.
I know.
Yeah, see that one.
I'm telling you, I really be with the vatos. You don't know.
For real.
JD, what he is?
I think he a Syrian.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Folks is Syrian.
Dang, that just blew my mind. JD, where you at?
You ain't think he was?
I didn't know what I thought he was.
You like diversity.
Yeah.
You don't discriminate.
No, I just like people. I don't like people.
What's
People
on
want to know the other
Okay,
Tortillas.
so I'm gonna put yours on here.
I almost turned my little accent almost came out with
What
a little
accent?
Spanish. Or okay. You said sour cream? I feel like that's gonna mess it up. Okay, yeah.
No, I ain't doing no sour cream.
No sour cream?
That's it, right
You trying to copy me?
No, that's how I eat my tacos. For real.
Hold on.
That shit look good.
That's decent. That's decent. Yeah. Grr. All right, that's it.
I mean, you gonna eat two? That's cool.
Yeah, I eat two.
Okay.
I eat two.
Cause one, I feel
For the
like that's
occasion?
just not.
For the occasion, I'll put two on my plate. Am I gonna eat two? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know.
You might eat 1.5, but shit, it's good to have more than enough than less than enough. That's decent. And I gotta update my sub goal. We really got one. You want some juice with your shit, or you gonna drink water?
I'm gonna do water.
Yep. Drink water.
All right, go ahead, King. Love a hydrated King.
None of that.
Nah.
All right, so let me put this cheese in.
All right, we're here to
Whoa.
Now you put out that stuck in my head. I think you did great. Okay, this one.
Thank you.
You eating your food piping hot?
Hmm?
You eating food like piping hot?
Usually, but I'm waiting for you.
I eat my food cold.
Oh no.
I don't eat it cold, but like
Cold is crazy.
I be like lukewarm with it. I don't need
That
it.
nigga talking about now he like juice. He bapping. He bapping. So yeah, I just down 3 water bottles in that bitch, bro.
Like yeah,
Wait, I just did. Wait, hold
on. They do that everywhere?
Yeah. I thought that was only through like FaceTime.
I did it on Instagram.
Oh, you do it on Instagram?
I did it on Instagram and it popped up. That surprised me.
That shit work for like FaceTime for me. I ain't never know it.
That's bogus.
Is crispy
it's
enough
not
for
doing
you?
It.
It's crispy enough for you?
Yeah, that's straight. I'm straight. Alright, fuck it. I don't even care that much. Anyway. Oh, that's very, very caliente.
You said caliente?
Yes, sí, muy caliente.
Hey, did I bring a stack of masks out here?
Yeah.
Need them.
He talking about nigga drink pop. Who the hell drink pop, bro? I ain't had nothing. I can't even tell you, G.
You gotta leave that lifestyle alone.
That shit too acidy, bro.
Oh my God, you finna go home to smoke?
Yeah.
People attitudes and devastation.
Right.
Oh my God. You need to burn some sage when you get that.
I just reacted to that shit. That Cali shit crazy.
That shit burned the whole town down.
Like, bro, what?
Like every house, 2,000 homes, gone, ashes.
When I say that's the city of angels?
Literal ashes.
I know exactly what town that is. That's like by Malibu and shit.
Yeah. One of my friends just posted said their uncle house
hit Hollywood yesterday though, by Faye's house and all that.
Yeah.
But they stopped it. That was like a little small one. Well, it wasn't small, but compared to the other one, they hurried and got on top of that bitch. That bitch too close to the city, bro. The other shit is like, it was to hit like a Northbrook or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Like a little bird of LA.
That's so sad. Like, in all honesty, all jokes aside, that shit is very sad. And then fire? You can't give me a little water? A little hurricane, perhaps?
Oh, this joint is cool.
Exactly. Oh, lime.
Should look like a wasteland on me. You know, that nigga said new Call of Duty map. Nah, bro, that's crazy.
It look like wasteland. For that one town, but that bitch over.
Hell no.
Over.
Lettuce,
brand got some shit.
Thank you.
That's hard. That's pretty hard.
Honey, something like that.
Yeah. Ain't bad. Oh, they got the whole jumpsuit. Go back. No, the first one. Before that.
Okay.
Oh, first
Let's see.
Oh, they go with the same one. Yeah. You said what?
I was asking, did you bite one? But I said that you didn't because I was gonna.
You ready to eat?
Test the waters.
All right, come on.
I'm trying to see if I want sour cream or not. Yeah, I'm gonna do $1. I'm gonna do a little $1.
He talking about Newtown 2025 for little two for real. Yeah,